This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for dropshipping. First, open Canva and explore its vast library of templates. You can easily create stunning visuals for your products and marketing efforts, even with zero design experience. Canva helps you produce professional-looking content in just a few minutes, allowing you to focus more on your business operations. It's an essential tool for any dropshipper looking to elevate their online presence and attract more customers. Next, let's craft compelling product visuals. Upload your product images to Canva and use its background remover tool for a clean look. Then, integrate these images into various mockups, showcasing your products in real-world settings. You can add descriptive text or graphic elements to emphasize key features. Always aim for high-resolution images, typically at least 1000 by 1000 pixels, to ensure clarity and appeal on all e-commerce platforms, driving more sales. Now, let's leverage Canva for your marketing. Design captivating social media posts for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, using their optimized dimensions. Create eye-catching banner advertisements for your paid campaigns, ensuring they grab attention. Develop professional email marketing graphics to announce new products or special promotions to your subscribers. You can even produce short, dynamic video advertisements, typically 15 to 30 seconds long, to boost engagement and reach a wider audience effectively. Finally, focus on brand consistency and growth. Set up a brand kit in Canva, including your logos, brand colors, and preferred fonts. Applying this kit ensures every design, from product images to social media posts, maintains a cohesive and professional appearance. This consistency builds trust and recognition with your customers. You can also collaborate with team members on design projects, streamlining your workflow. Ultimately, strong visual branding helps scale your dropshipping business to new heights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.